So why is Wealthy Affiliate better than the competition? Now, Wealthy Affiliate doesn't actually market itself as some sort of get rich quick scheme, which I've seen a lot of these courses and things that people are selling to you on social media try to do. Wealthy Affiliate is honest about what you get once you sign up. They have a very clear pricing policy that you can actually start with completely for free. And once you sign up, they don't try to pull like some sneaky overpriced upsells on you. They just have a very simple model, which is a subscription model. You can choose monthly or yearly billing if you want to upgrade, and they don't force you to upgrade. There's no obligation. They don't like shut your account down or give you like a 1 week free trial. You can stay on Wealthy Affiliate's free plan, the starter plan, for as long as you like to get a taste of affiliate marketing and see if this business model is for you. And on top of the amazing educational videos that they provide you, they also have their own custom software and tools, which they've built in-house, such as SEO tools and website hosting technology. For example, they have an amazing SEO tool that's also its own website called Jaxi, and this is for helping you research different niches and different topics so that you can beat the competition. And it's owned by Wealthy Affiliate. So they actually have a team of really good software engineers building these platforms, and they can afford to spend money on the best engineers and hire huge teams because they've been around a long time, and they're making a lot of money. This is a big company. They have over 2.6 million members, and so unlike most other affiliate marketing courses and platforms, Wealthy Affiliate has the resources to go above and beyond. They also have some of the best customer support I've ever seen. Like, if you have any questions, any problems, you can go to help, and then you can click site support. You can submit a ticket and it'll go directly to the software engineers. You're not going to have to deal with some like middle HR person. You can ask questions from the community and people will answer pretty quickly. You can private message any member in the entire community, including Kyle, Dale, people that founded the actual platform, as well as some of their top members. And you can live chat as well if you have more questions. So Wealthy Affiliate honestly destroys the competition. This is a legitimate company. They have a 4.8 rating on Trustpilot with almost 600 reviews. So yeah, I think Wealthy Affiliate is amazing, and for these reasons I think Wealthy Affiliate is better than the competition. Now, if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate and get a taste of this yourself, it's completely free and you can sign up using the link in the description. There's no credit card required, so there's no risk. Now, if you're wondering if there are any red flags with Wealthy Affiliate that you have to watch out for, then click this video showing up on your screen.